Ramp control is crucial in airport operations and traffic management for several important reasons. 1. Safety ramp areas are busy with aircraft, vehicles, and ground personnel. Ramp control ensures that all movements are coordinated to prevent collisions and accidents. This includes managing aircraft taxiing, parking, and pushback procedures. 2. Efficiency ramp control helps minimize delays by coordinating aircraft movement and parking assignments. Efficient ramp operations reduce taxi times, fuel consumption, and aircraft turnaround times. 3. Communication ramp controllers act as a vital link between ground crews, air traffic control, ATC, and airline operations. Clear and consistent communication ensures that everyone is informed of aircraft positions, gate availability, and any changes in plans. 4. Space management airports have limited ramp space. Ramp control ensures optimal use of gates and parking positions, especially during peak hours or irregular operations. 5. Security. By controlling who and what moves in and out of the ramp area, ramp control contributes to overall airport security. It ensures only authorized personnel and vehicles are allowed access. 6. Weather and emergency response ramp controllers coordinate adjustments in operations during bad weather or emergencies, helping to maintain order and safety during disruptions. In summary, ramp control is essential to maintaining safe, efficient, and secure airport ground operations. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's completely free and helps to support the channel so I can keep making awesome videos for you. Thank you.